Hey! Hey! I got my camera. Don't do it. I got a girl. Your mama will be paying me $600.
Do you remember? Remember Michaela? Last year I was so mad.
They got Auntie Naja.
Straight off.
Yeah, yeah. That's your good furniture.
It comes straight off.
Yeah, so you say.
Last year Naja was hot to death. She was steaming on your porch.
John,
Don't
it is your birthday.
I'll stand
to it. Happy birthday, John.
when it's over with.
John's birthday.
Well, I just want to know.
Oh.
I think I got that on camera. Is he okay? Oh, is he hurt?
Right into it. He didn't know it was a shot.
I thought he was
Is he
laughing.
He's probably hurt because people were laughing more than anything.
Where's
What?
that
He hurt because he hurt. You hurt.
What mess? I didn't buy it.
Gave to us.
You bought it?
Lori bought it.
Well, I wanted to see you get the back. How the hell do you get all these little pieces out of my couch? He wasn't supposed to spray it when it was little pieces. Like, he kind of did it.
Like this.
Look
Look.
at it.
Off.
It just rolls off. It just rolls off.
Yes.
Yeah, but throw it back.
A cup with water, or do you want some ice? Is his mouth bleeding? You want some salt?